Through the roof. An exciting game has begun. In head, the match has begun with an early goal. His first choice is a superpower. He's constantly going for kicks over. That's a legendary goal. He tried his luck with a header. He's defending with all he's got. Not good. He shoved the ball into his own net. He's aiming for where the goalposts meet. He headed the ball towards the goal. He's trying to make a play by juggling the ball. What's happening? An own goal. He slightly curves the ball with the inside of his foot. Great header to deflect the ball. He used giant player. This definitely looks like a basketball game with the amount of goals scored. It's the luck. He rolled the ball into his own net. The gap is quite small and it can still be closed. The goal came with a brilliant header. He's sending high balls to his... The fans are going wild. Frosted. He tried his luck with an incredible goal. He aims for the low corner. We're slowly getting to the end of the match. Awesome save. The ball is in his own net. A powerful kick. He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. Nice shot. He lit up the goal with that kick. He aims for the top corner. And the ball is in the net. The last 10 seconds are here. A rising shot. Off the crossbar. The last seconds have arrived. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. The referee has blown the final whistle. The gap was huge. He brushed aside the opponent. Players are ready to go. The match is about to get underway. He used his superpower early in the match. The superpower was used successfully. The ball is a bomb now. Crazy things are happening. He's scored plenty from there before. That's a fine header. He's set the trap and is waiting for his opponent to make a mistake. He headed the ball onwards. He's moving as if he's done. Amazing goal. A shot towards the penalty area. That's it. Beautiful strike. He's after a goal in the low corner. He's trying to score over the... It's a goal. What a finish. He's defending his goal with his life. He doesn't want to advance to his opponent's side of the pitch. Is it a goal? No, off the crossbar. We're in the last 45 seconds now. He keeps increasing the gap. He headed the ball towards the goal. He's using all of his energy for a goal. A powerful kick. He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. He's like a fortress now. We're entering the final stretch of the match. The hats off to that amazing goal. A rising shot. This match is a very exciting one to watch. Great header to deflect the ball. What a finish off the post. Amazing goal. Incredible goal. What a header, just like a bullet. His fans are demoralised. He left the game with a disappointing loss. Who moves? He plans to get ahead with superpowers, then wait for his... Why take any risks when you can... A fireball is coming. The match is 1-1. He's scored plenty from there before. He tried his luck with a header. Not a good enough effort by the player. He headed the ball towards the goal. He sees the goal and shoots. Goal! 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 Giant player superpower. The score is 3-1. He's looking for a chance with his dribbling skill. It's a goal. What a finish. The goals are coming non-stop. It's very hard to predict the outcome of them. He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. He cleared the ball with his head. Denied by the post again. He keeps getting warned. A yellow card could soon be on the way. An amazing header. He's so angry. The last 45 seconds of playtime is underway. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. Let's see if we can see an astonishing comeback. Incredible goal. Into the penalty area. He caught the ball in the air. He's defending in front of his goalpost. The last 30 seconds of the game. He lit up the goal with that kick. A good shot will bring a goal. It is 6-5. The fans are booing. What an unfortunate own goal. He shot the ball towards the upper crossbar. Goal! 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 He's saving everything. We're in the final 10 seconds of the game. What a mind-blowing goal. Perfect header. He sees the goal and shoots. We are in the final 5 seconds. Great hit. The ref...